Hi, David.
Hi, Stephen. How you doing?
Good, good. So first and foremost, thank you for your contribution to the book, The Law and Business of Litigation Finance.
Thank you for putting it out.
So first things first, so your contribution to the book was produced in liaison with Eric Schuller, and you examined the legislative landscape for litigation finance in the US. So I want a prediction. Do you think we can expect more legislation governing litigation finance in the next 10 years?
Well, I would say probably yes. I mean, legislators are always more likely to pass a law than to repeal a law. So I think that's a safe bet. How that legislation looks is another story entirely. And from my experience, it very much revolves around the sort of power struggles in the individual legislatures. But every year there are new bills being passed, and I think that is certainly likely to continue.
Absolutely. And in my view, the fact that there's going to be more legislation, as well as case law and regulation, is a reason why the book is important. But I'm interested on your view on why a book like this is needed right now.
Well, I think that's certainly true. And it's a reason why the book is important to people who are already deeply involved in the industry, to keep abreast of everything that's changing relatively quickly. But I also think books like this that sort of summarize the state of play are important more broadly, because the industry is still sort of shrouded in this veil of secrecy, where a lot of people who aren't deeply involved in the industry view it as mysterious and maybe even view it with some suspicion as a result of that. And I think it will only benefit policy, the industry, to have that information available in sort of a convenient place where folks can get a primer up and down on all the different aspects of it.
Absolutely. And I think that one of the reasons I was pleased to have such a collection of talents with various different perspectives on it is that we're leaving none of the secrets untold. It's going to really be a frank discussion of the law and business of litigation finance. And so, David, you're Director of Research and Projects at New York University. From the Academy, I'm interested, why are students and academics likely to be interested in litigation finance?
Well, just make a quick correction. I'm the Director of Research and Projects at the Center on Civil Justice, which is at NYU Law School. But I think that law students are particularly interested in this field because it's playing an increasing role in litigation in the practice of law. So this is everything from impacting the cases that they'd be working on at a law firm or in-house, to impacting their business development if they are trying to make partner at a law firm, to providing actual job opportunities. I think more and more law students and young lawyers are interested in litigation finance as a career. And I think that it serves law schools well to prepare their students for the way the industry is changing, and for a big sort of new entrant into the industry that is a big employer of lawyers, but also impacts the jobs of lawyers, even who aren't working directly in the industry.
I agree. And I look forward to seeing the book on the shelves of law schools around the world. And so again, David, thank you for your contribution.
Thank you so much for putting out the book. As I said, I think it's really important.